All right. 3 to go. Anything can happen. Boogie T, Kyle Busch wins. That's the Kyle Busch restart.
Green flag. Oh,
whoa.
Oh,
whoa, contact.
Who are these people announcing?
That's MRN. Oh! Seizure!
I love this track. It's such a cool track.
Yeah, it's a good track.
Names are made here.
Whoa! Kozlowski scraping that wall, boy. Wreck! Flip!
You won't.
Do something!
Logano's gonna take out Brett. I can feel it. Oh.
He's fighting for second. Oh, Sieg! Oh! What are you doing? Stop!
Sieg, oh, he blew a tire.
Stop on the racetrack! Logano going to second. Maybe.
Left front tire.
Bernard, pass both of them.
They won't.
Oh, Logano outbraked him.
Oh, wow, he's 1.8 back. Yeah, you're going to close that gap and frickin' do nothing.
I'm just hoping Logano doesn't go 3 in a row. That's not gonna happen.
No, there's no way. Not unless Busch runs out of fuel.
Logano's won this race 2 years in a row?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you're a dick. Come on, let there be a caution now.
Not gonna
Well,
happen.
Logano can go eat a dick because he's not going to win it this year.
Yep.
Whoa, pool wrecked.
And now...
Really? It's a lap too late.
Oh!
Thanks a lot, frickin' genius.
That was a hard
Just
hit.
put it out.
Oh,
Put
God.
me out of my Missouri.
Missouri. She got it going.
Keep going. Come on, no yellow. Go! Oh, jeez.
There's debris all over the place down there.
How many laps has Kyle Busch led today?
A lot.
So nothing but come
Too many. Exactly. Exactly.
That's ID.
There's Ryan Sieg still going. Because why throw caution? He's scattering debris everywhere, dude.
I can still race.
Don't take me out, coach. I can still race.
Kyle Busch is one win closer from getting out of the Xfinity Series.
One step closer of retiring as he wins the road course of Watkins Glen.
And Kyle Busch has 10 more wins to go.
Oh, Allgaier got fourth, alright.
Kyle Busch has 10 more wins to go at Watkins Glen.
Look at that top 5.
Brendan Gaughan got ninth.
Oh,
Look at the top 10. This is pitiful.
Allgaier should be winning.
How did Harvick get back to 6? What?
I got water.
Whatever. At least it's not Logano. Woo!
Then again, how long?
Well, either way, it still sucked.
How long have Cup drivers been dominating the
Forever.
Lola series?
Years.
Yeah,
Well, 10 more wins to go.
Wow. Wow. I wonder how many of those wins were by Kyle Busch.
well, he has like what? How many wins does he have? He
Uh-huh.
has
90?
90.
90 now.
Yeah.
But he did win all those for Joe Diaz because he didn't win in his team.
Yeah, Kurt Busch won a race for his team, but not Kyle Busch.
Yeah, his monster team was trash in the Xfinity series.
Did Cole Custer take out Brendan Poole?
Here.
Oh my God, he could have flipped over!
That was a hard lick.
Whoa! Wow. It could have flipped!
Oh, Inca.
He got nailed.
Visor cam. This should be good.
And there's the Kyle Busch burnout after the Kyle Busch restart. Won in the Kyle Busch Motorsports 300 race.
Hard lick.
This burnout's horrible.
He could have died, I tell you. He could have died.
No, he could have flipped.
He could have died.
He's gonna do it right in the first turn. There he goes.
There's a
He
level
could have
track.
changed consonants.
He's gonna
Oh, damn.
Well, the only thing I'm happy about this is at least it's not Logano going 3 in a row.
Yep. At least he's one step closer to retiring, even though I still doubt he will.
I don't like him, but he can sure do it by now.
If only this was Cup, this would be great.
This is tough, but he'll be like, I just found another real racetrack.
Huh.
If he wins Cup, he'll say that. No, if he wins Cup, he found a real racetrack again.
And there's Kyle Busch.
Xfinity.
Take that, Logano. You're trash.
There's people cheering. Kyle Busch won.
They're only cheering
There's been people
10 more
cheering.
wins to go.
Not a lot of people boo him anymore.
Yeah, they're only cheering because he's got 10 more wins to go. Xfinity. Yeah, someone said, yeah, go! Oh, some boos. The only thing I'm booing right now is Cup guys in Xfinity. I don't know why NASCAR's okay with Cup guys racing. 8 Cup guys in this race. How's that okay? Allgaier should be the winner again. Ew.
And
I'll be happy if he wins tomorrow. Sadler P18th, of course, you can't win.
happy.
Helicopter!
I like what he did there at the end. Whee! Whee!
I remember when he did it at the Xfinity race whenever he won at Bristol in 2000.